Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to revolutionize your kitchen organization and cooking experience. We're talking about the 16-piece kitchen removable handle cookware set, designed for induction, gas, RVs, camping, and of course, your everyday home kitchen. The key selling point here is its stackability and removable handle system, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's break down what you get in this 16-piece set. It includes a 10.2-inch deep frying pan, an 11-inch frying pan, a 2-quart saucepan with both a glass lid and a silicone lid, and a 4-quart saucepot, also with a glass lid and a silicone lid. Crucially, you get 2 removable handles, which are designed for a secure and convenient attachment. To protect your cookware during storage, there are also 2 13.5-inch cookware protectors and 2 15-inch cookware protectors. And to help you get started with cleanup, they've even included 2 scrub sponges. This is a comprehensive package, aiming to cover a lot of bases. The star of the show, undoubtedly, is the removable handle. The design here is intended to offer convenience and versatility. You can easily attach and detach the handles, transforming your pots and pans into serving dishes, oven-safe bowls, or even cake pans. The fact that they're oven-safe and dishwasher-safe adds to the multipurpose appeal. This feature is particularly attractive for those living in smaller spaces, like RVs or apartments, where maximizing storage is paramount. The ability to stack everything neatly, with the protectors in place, really does make a difference in tidying up your cabinets. For campers and RV enthusiasts, this space-saving aspect is a game-changer, allowing you to bring a functional cooking setup without taking up valuable room. When it comes to cooking performance, the set is designed for superior heat transfer and is suitable for a variety of stovetops, including electric, induction, gas, and ceramic. The non-stick coating is advertised as healthy, being free from a long list of concerning chemicals like PFOA, APEO, PFOS, and lead. This is a significant plus for many home cooks who are increasingly conscious of the materials they use in their kitchens. The healthy non-stick coating means food should release easily, making both cooking and cleaning simpler. They do recommend using nylon, silicone, or wooden utensils to protect this coating, which is standard advice for non-stick cookware. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this set. On the positive side, the space-saving design is truly exceptional. The stackability is brilliant, and the included protectors are a thoughtful touch that helps maintain the cookware's condition. The removable handles offer fantastic versatility, transforming pots and pans into servingware and making them oven and fridge friendly. The fact that it's compatible with multiple stovetops and is dishwasher safe adds to its practicality. The emphasis on a healthy, non-toxic non-stick coating is also a major advantage. However, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider. While the set is described as better quality and value and thicker than normal, the long-term durability of the non-stick coating and the attachment mechanism of the handles will ultimately depend on how well the product is manufactured and how it's treated. Removable handle systems can sometimes be a point of failure if not robustly designed. We'll need to see how these perform over extended use. Additionally, while the set includes 2 handles, for busy cooks who might be using multiple pots simultaneously, having to constantly swap handles could be a minor inconvenience. The included lids are great, but the set only comes with a limited number of them, so you might find yourself wishing for more options depending on your cooking style. Finally, the recommendation to use only soft utensils means you can't use metal spatulas or whisks, which some people prefer. In conclusion, this 16-piece kitchen removable handle cookware set offers a compelling solution for anyone struggling with kitchen storage or looking for versatile cookware. The innovative stackable design and the clever removable handle system make it a standout choice for small spaces, RVs, and campers. The healthy non-stick coating and multi-stove compatibility further enhance its appeal. While long-term durability is always a question mark with any cookware, the potential benefits in terms of organization and versatility are undeniable. If space is at a premium and you value clever design, this set is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.